everybody, it's Jess, and today is the first day of our Sallie Tomato tour. So we just got to our campsite. We're staying at Alberta Lee in Minnesota, and I'm going to be heading over to our first stop on the tour to teach the Lucky Penny class. I'm going to show you some behind the scenes when I get to the shop and a tour of the shop so you can meet the store owner. But these guys are going to stay back at the campground and have some fun while Mama is teaching. Say cheese! I just got to Michele's Quilting and Sewing Center. I love the sign out front. I'm excited to go inside.
We started 20 years ago, this last November. We've been in business. I started out servicing machines for a couple other shops, and eventually when one shop closed and one had to change up their model, I decided to open my own shop, and I was doing sewing machine and vacuum repairs and alterations. And then after a few years, I had the opportunity to start adding fabric. And this last year, we moved into a new place. As you can see here, we are over 3 times larger than what we were. And yeah, it's just been a lot of fun this is a whole new setup, whole new experience, and it's like starting over again.
Yeah. Well, congratulations on your growth. And
thank you.
You have an incredible team here and all of your beautiful samples, and it's been a pleasure to meet everybody.
Thank you so much for coming. I know everybody enjoyed it, and they so look forward to it and hope to have you back again.
That would be great. Awesome. Thanks, Michele. Ready, wave. Awesome. All right, that's it. Good morning. It's day 2, and we're heading to the second quilt shop on the tour. Today I'm going to be teaching the Casey bag. So we have samples lined up over here. We're having some breakfast.
And now we're going to another campsite.
Yep, we're going to another campsite today, heading north, making some coffee. My brother just got back from Peru, so he brought me this coffee to try, which is perfect for on the trip. So this is instant coffee. Morning!
Morning!
All right, it's gonna be a fun day. Say woohoo! We stopped at the Old Alley Quilt Shop, and we're gonna head over to the church where I'll be teaching class today.
Well, I moved to this town in 2006, right after they actually opened up the Old Alley Quilt Shop here in Sherburn. So I've been a long time from the beginning customer, and I always wanted to do a quilt shop when I retired. I'm a long ways from there. But when it came up for sale 3 years ago, I decided, what the heck, I'll just buy it now. Why let my local shop go under? So yeah, I still work full time and run the quilt shop. Brianna does the weekly, most days she runs the shop, along with some other great staff. But it's called Old Alley because the quilt shop was made out of a bowling alley. We do have a full little corner full of Sallie Tomato.
Oh, oh, cool.
I've increased it quite a bit over the last year probably, but lots of zippers, and you make the best hardware, so we really appreciate that. And I really appreciate you coming out today. So
awesome. Well,
thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey everybody, so today went well teaching at the Old Alley Quilt store. We are on our way to Fargo to teach at Rae-Bon Quilt Shop, and the boys finally fell asleep in the car, so they're getting some rest. So we'll be back at it again tomorrow. It's kind of a foggy morning. We're heading out of Minnesota up to Fargo. Yep, so Mitch and the boys are gonna head to the Children's Museum today. Are you guys gonna have fun? Yeah! Woo! So I'm excited to teach the Sloan bag. This is one of my favorite patterns. My mom, Renee, actually designed it. And it is a convertible bag, so you can carry it multiple ways. And I'm super excited to see all the fabrics that everybody picked out. And I actually met the owner of this quilt shop in 2017 at my first quilt market. So she was super excited about the cork fabric. I'm excited to see her store in person for the first time and meet all the students.
I'm actually the third owner of the shop. I bought it from two friends of mine when they decided they wanted to retire. So then I bought the shop, and after I had it for a couple of years, my daughter joined me with it. She did move a lot of my stuff from the car, so now she does a lot of helping with me on the shop. She does all the emails and website and all that kind of stuff.
I was wondering where the name Rae-Bon came from.
The name Rae-Bon, the original owner, his wife's name is Ray, and his sister's name is Bonnie.
Oh, cute. That's so sweet.
The owner before me, her name was Rachel, so then everybody thought, oh, it fit really good for her. Oh, I've got no ties with it.
All right, you're good to go.
So class went really well. The ladies were super fun. It was an awesome group. And I messaged my good friend, John Michael, and we're gonna meet up with him for dinner. Hey, John Michael! Hey everybody, it's Saturday, and we have a little bit of time, so we're gonna go check out the Minnesota Zoo. Oh, he's saying hi to you! Oh, look at the shark up ahead. Look at his mouth. Look at all his teeth in there. They have little fins that are going really fast on the sides. Hi. So here at Wildflower Quilts, they're set up for a book signing today, and then later this afternoon I'm teaching the Miranda class. That's me! What do you think of that? There's this awesome display of Sallie Tomato here at the store. Puppies! What sweet puppies! Oh.
There was always the idea of having a quilt shop.
Yeah,
because
we played the what if game for many years. The what if game, and then finally COVID hit. We said, screw it, let's open a quilt shop.
We have our in-store, online, and then I have my long arm, in-store,
and
online
mail-in
as well. So
you can mail in your quilts to her.
So
that's really fun. But yeah, it's been a whirlwind year and a half.
Yeah.
We have classes fairly regularly. We're kind of a full service shop. But yeah, we started, as lovingly as I call it, our pandemic project, because everyone seemed to have one. We just took it to another level. A lot of fun activities. We get to have Jess here with Sallie Tomato, which we're super, super excited about today. So.
And then if you like dogs, we have three very friendly dogs.
Our unofficial mascots are Cavalier and Charles Spaniels. You'll see them on our social medias here and there. They can't resist a quilt.
I just want to say thank you to all of the stores who invited me to come teach on the tour, and to all of the students who attended the classes. I hope that you enjoyed your new bags. It was really fun to travel across the country and teach and see all the neat quilt stores and amazing bags that you made in class. If you haven't visited any of these shops that I did on the tour, I highly encourage you to check them out. We've added links in the description below this video so you can see their websites and all that they have to offer. We've added links in the description of this video below to all of the stores that I visited, so that way you can check them out and hopefully plan a trip to their store. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and seeing behind the scenes while I traveled and taught. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.